Hello, friends. Today I'm going to share with you a really special recipe. It's 100% natural and very easy to do at home. This recipe is going to make your hair shiny, healthy, really strong from the roots, and you will see the results yourself. Definitely try this out and check out the whole video. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Creative Queen X. Welcome back. It's so good to see you again if you are a subscriber already. If you are new, welcome to our channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so don't forget to subscribe. And let's get straight into today's video. Today's video is about a hair growth oil which will help your hair to become very full of nutrition and full of growth. If you use it, of course, over the few months, few weeks, you will see the results yourself. So let's get straight in today's video. So the main ingredient we are using in this recipe is onion seeds. Onion seeds help keep hair healthy and shiny. It contains antifungal properties that prevent fungal infections and scalp diseases that lead to hair loss. Onion seeds are rich in essential oils that nourish the hair and improve its growth. And they are really good for the hair. They've been used for centuries and globally, and its benefits are known across across the globe. And yeah, this is one of the main ingredients. It's also known as kalonji or black onion seed. The next thing, guys, we're gonna need is some a form of healthy hair oil. You can use olive oil or almond oil or coconut oil. The oil I'm using today is going to be almond oil, but you can also use whatever oil you've got available at your home. And make sure to mix it all together. So once you've mixed up everything nicely together, make sure to insert it in a glass jar for the best results, and let it infuse for about 2 to 3 weeks and keep it aside. And yeah, wait for the results. So guys, after about 2 weeks, this is how the oil looks. It looks like a dark green kind of brownish shade, and that's exactly what we are looking for. This oil is extremely nutritional and it's very healthy for your hair. So what we're gonna do, guys, is the best thing to oil your hair is when it's really dirty and ready to be washed, and that's the best time to oil your hair. As you guys can see, my hair is already quite greasy, and we're gonna get started by oiling the hair. And just make sure you have a towel with you ready. So what you could do at the beginning, guys, is you could warm the hair oil a little bit. It's really beneficial if you warm the oil. And hair massage has really great benefits for your hair. It increases the hair length and reduces dryness of both the scalp and the hair, and it also reduces dandruff and reduces frizz as well. And also you will notice that you are gonna have fewer split ends. And another reason why you should always do hot oil massage on your hair is because it increases the blood flow in the scalp, which may help promote healthier hair. and you're also gonna feel really, really relaxed and really good after a nice hair massage. I really, really enjoy hair massages after, like, once a while. It just feels so amazing. That feeling, um it's just undescribable, honestly. Guys, you need to do it on a regular basis to see. It just makes you so happy. So yeah, definitely give this a try. So as you guys can see, I've got a little bit oil left here, which I'm gonna be using another 2-3 times. Let's see. And yeah, it's actually really useful. So, and after another 2 weeks or something, it's gonna be um, having more nutrients in the oil, so which is a really good thing. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And you can also share this video with your friends and family who can benefit from this video and feel inspired as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye. Love you all.